Let's rank these Robobills. What is this? Like, are you an alien from like Mars? Okay, that's not bad. Kind of looks like the 24-karat gold Robobill. Okay, she's cute. And I like blue. That worked out well. Bye-bye.